COVID-19 vaccines dosing interval. This is the very hot topic right now. If you have been following the news, you probably know the UK government, the US government, CDC, that kind of things, health officials, they want to extend the dosing interval, which means the majority of all the vaccines now, as of February 22nd, 2021, they got approved. They all are two-shot vaccines, which means you need to get first shot and you wait for a few weeks and you get second shot. But the problem now is the vaccine supply is severely under delivered, so its supply is pretty low. A lot of countries, they couldn't get enough dose for the general population to get vaccinated, and their strategies, the UK, the US strategies is to extend the dosing interval. Majority of vaccines, at least those three vaccines, Pfizer, Moderna, and Oxford, their recommended dosing intervals is around 4 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks, I think, depending on the vaccine, but it's around this interval. And the government, the UK and the UK government wants to extend it to 3 months intervals, which means 3 months, it means 12 weeks. So it's like 3 times longer than he suggested. And the problem is, a lot of people say this will work, but we don't have data to prove it yet. And yeah, that's really the problem. In the vaccine trials, they only do the 4 weeks intervals. So we really needed data to prove that. So today I'm going to show you one preprint paper, which is preprint paper of Lancet. So this preprint paper on Lancet, which is a very good journal paper, shows the data. So that's very important. That's what we're going to look at today. And it has some data, means it says if the dosing interval is 90 days, which is around 12 weeks, and the vaccine efficacy is between day 22 to day 90. Why is day 22 is because of it takes some time to build up your immune system. So it only counts from day 22 to day 90. And the vaccine efficacy after you get in the first shot, is 76, which is quite high. It's quite high. And if you get a second shot after 90 days, the vaccines efficacies will be boosted to around 82% within the next 3 months, which is high. And the tricky thing is the 95% confidence interval of this is, which means there's a distribution of confidence interval. So means it could be 62% or 91%. So this kind of a confidence intervals is really big. Means it could be around this 60 to low 90. So the variation is actually big, but like the most confident number is 82%. Okay, so it supports the boost dosing intervals can be extended to 12 weeks. This data shows that, and they also shows very weird data, which is like if you don't wait for 3 months, if you only just take 4. There's also only very weird data, which means if you only wait 6 weeks before you take the second shot, your vaccine efficacies will be only 55% compared to 82. So this is a huge difference. This research paper, preprint paper, suggests that if your dosing interval is just 6 weeks, then your vaccine efficacies will be 54.9%, which is around 55%. And if you wait for 12 weeks until you get the second shot, your vaccine efficacy will be boosted to 82%. So that's a huge difference. And that's a little bit weird. I have a little bit, quite a lot of doubt about this number, because the original, this is a study for Oxford vaccines. The Oxford vaccines, the dosage, the way they do is around 60 to 70. So this, when your dosing interval is 6 weeks, but in these studies they show it's only 55%. So that's very different. Could be because of the virus variant, the UK variant, they affect the results. They could be. So we need to wait until this paper really got peer reviewed. I couldn't say too much. I just show you the preprint paper's results. So let's just wait. If it got peer reviewed, I may do another videos about that. Yeah, that's all for now. I want to share with you today, and I'll put this preprint link in the description down below if you're interested. Make sure you check it out. A lot of information out there. And other than that, I'll see you next time. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.